Hi, I'm DLee Inspires, your #1 sought-after self-publishing consultant across the web. And in this video, we're going to talk about the 5 mistakes that authors make when marketing their books.
So I saw this book on Amazon.com, the Desiree Lee Story, Inmate 1142980. And I read the reviews and I had to purchase my own copy. It's just such an inspirational story.
A high school student on her way to college in pursuit of the American dream. 2 weeks after graduation, her dream was no longer an option. Visit www.amazon.com and purchase your copy today.
Number 4, the 4th mistake that a lot of authors make, especially online, okay, is that they have no branding, no hashtags, no social movement. We know that when there is a movement surrounding a product or service or act, that people are more likely to share that post, they're more likely to engage in that post, they're more likely to like the post, they're more likely to tell people about it. So again, I know you guys heard me say this before, that one of the #1 ways of marketing or promoting anything is word of mouth. So when you attach a hashtag, a movement, or your brand, it's more likely to get promoted and shared in so many areas around social media platforms. A change. So is your book a change agent? So even though you may be posting on Instagram, and I know we use hashtags heavily on platforms like Instagram or Twitter, because that's like a search engine, you know, if you're a photographer, videographer, and so forth, right? However, if you attach your brand to a hashtag or a movement, it'll get more traction and you'll get a chance to meet more strangers. At the same time, it induces people to make action when they're a part of your community. So say they are a part of your community, but they're not moving. If you attach a hashtag or a movement with your brand around your book when you're posting or marketing or promoting your book, they're more likely to take action and say, hey, I'm a part of this book. Act like a lady, think like a man. Women are like sharing it like crazy because they feel that that's them as an independent woman, that they